is from Zara, and then the jeans are Levi's. I've always found any pair I've gotten very flattering, so I definitely recommend any Levi's.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video after, I want to say like over a year. Today I'm gonna do just a little life update, catching up what's been going on since I got out of the Marine Corps, because my last video was Marine Corps related, like tips on boot camp. And then I'm gonna be going to Trader Joe's, getting something to make for dinner today, and I'm gonna go to Sephora to get a few things that I need. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to talk about is how my transition has been since I got out of the Marine Corps. And let me tell you, it has been really hard. I would say that I didn't expect it to be what it was. So I got out April 2020. It was right when everyone went on quarantine in March, so it was really hard when applying to jobs because everyone was either getting laid off or sent home, so why would they be hiring anyone? So that was hard itself because I've been working since I was 14, so to go from having someone to tell me what to do every single day, the transition was difficult in that part because I've been so used to working, like I said, since I was 14. And then I did find two civilian jobs, but the first one, oh man, was it, I don't even know what to call it, like a culture shock, whatever, because like I said, I worked before the Marine Corps and I just had never been treated like I did at this one job. So anyway, I stayed there, and then I truly believe in manifesting things because another goal that I had was to get a federal job when I got out of the Marine Corps, and that just takes a really long time, and the pandemic also made it a little bit harder. So I would keep writing it down, applying, and I finally got it last year June. So that's where I'm at now. I'm so happy there, but I will say that when I got out of the Marine Corps, it was for a long time, I want to say over a year. It was just like I lost a part of my identity because when you are in the Marine Corps, it's like, especially if you live in the barracks for a long time, like you're in a little bubble, like everyone around you is a Marine, and it's all like you have this lingo, and it's just like you have to maintain height and weight standards, and I just always remain 15 to 20 under my max just because I wanted that leeway, and it's just something that I weighed myself a lot, and now I don't have to, so I kind of just was like tied up for so long where I restricted myself like crazy for years, and I finally get out and I have this food and weight freedom, so and not having to meet those height and weight standards anymore, and like the physical part of it, I just kind of took a pause, and I didn't really focus on my fitness, which I shouldn't have done, because I shouldn't have just done it because I was only in the Marine Corps, you know what I mean? So I wish I wouldn't have let that kind of set me back. So whatever, that all happened, I just I feel like I lost a huge part of myself, where now I have to find, right now I currently work for the Marine Corps, so I feel like it would be a little bit easier once I fulfill my goal and I'm into nursing. I feel like that's when I'll finally like detach, and I hope that's the day, but for now, I'm just okay guys, so I'm at Sephora now. I'm gonna go in there. I'm looking for something for my scalp, maybe a new shampoo and conditioner, and maybe a little bit of makeup, so I will show you guys once I'm in there. So obsess over my macros, but I'm no longer going to do that because that's not mentally, that put me in a bad place, because I was always obsessing over them, and that's not good either. I feel like we should eat well to feel well, And it's okay to have something that isn't so clean. That's okay. Like, it's all about balance, because otherwise it's not going to be sustainable if you think about it. Like, if you're always constantly restricting yourself to just like the cleanest foods, it's not sustainable. I mean, I'm sure some people can do it, and others. Now, I'm gonna go into Trader Joe's now, and then I'll show you what I buy.
So this is my Trader Joe's haul. This side is gonna be for my turkey pesto sandwich. Got sourdough bread, tomato, basil pesto, chili lime mayonnaise, baby spring mix, a red onion, and then turkey breast. I like paying attention to the ingredients. This one just has organic turkey breast, water, and salt, which is awesome because some of the other ones have like a million more ingredients. And then this is just a little extra. I like to put these in the freezer as a little snack. And then this is gonna be for the for my roasted red pepper pasta with lemon rosemary chicken. I got baby spinach, nutritional yeast for me. For my husband, I'll give him Parmesan cheese. I still eat cheese, but for nutritional yeast, I'll give Parmesan cheese for my husband's portion. Got bologna, fire roasted red peppers, garlic, lemon, tomato paste, white onion, and then boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then I'll be showing you guys how I make these recipes. You guys could take a little screenshot. All right, let's go. Let's get started. Syrup. Guys, you know what, buddy? I'm getting a haircut on Saturday, finally. Kate in the back. You wanna say hi? Come here. Come here.
Oh my goodness, say hello over there.
Alright, let's go get the ingredients. Okay, so in the back. So for this recipe, hold on.
Hey, yo.
I didn't record my resume. Besito. So we're gonna start off with my turkey pesto chicken sandwich recipe. You need, excuse Kate if you hear him right here. So sourdough bread, and then chili lime mayonnaise. I got this one at Trader Joe's. I don't know, you could do chicken breast, turkey breast, deli. I got this one from Trader Joe's as well. I really like the ingredients because it's just organic turkey breast, water, and sea salt. So I try to pay attention to ingredients, and if I could get the better option, why not? Red onion, or the onion of your liking. Baby spring mix. I would do arugula, but Julius doesn't like just arugula, so yeah. And then tomatoes, and this vegan kale cashew basil pesto sauce, or the pesto sauce of your choice. I added the chili lime on one side and then the basil pesto on the other. Now I'm gonna do the same for Julius's, and then I'll show you what his I did with. I'm gonna turn this off and then I'll turn it back on. Ooh, I can't see the full thing, but I really like this butter. So I'm gonna add chili lime on one side. I love this sandwich so much. And it's so easy to make. Alrighty. And then pesto. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Sorry. I'm gonna add the vegan kale cashew basil pesto on the other slice. Alright. Let's test my skills. Let me just tuck in. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter for Juju. For mine, I am not. I seriously love cooking so much. So whoever said they wanted to see more of my recipes, thank you, because I like sharing them. So again, this one's for Julie, so I did butter. And that one, I've made a mixture of so many different pastas because I love Italian food. I grew up eating Mexican food. I grew up watching my mom and my grandma and my aunts make these dishes, but I'm like, I want to learn Italian food because there's nothing that I love more. If you know me and you're my friend and you're close to me, you know that my favorite food to have, obviously I love my Mexican food. It's near and dear to my heart, but I love Italian food, like having a nice garlic bread, and then a nice pasta. I love spaghetti carbonara so much, or any like red pasta sauce, and then having a glass of wine. That is my absolute favorite. So I decided to like learn pastas, and I've gotten down a few, and I'll definitely share them. What was my point to this? I cannot remember. Oh, my point to this was that I've tried so many, and this is one of them. One of the ones I've made the comfort ones with the cheese and heavy cream, etc. But I've also learned how to make healthy ones because I love pasta so much. So this one is a red pepper roasted sauce. I don't know. I'm trying to come up with these names as I share my recipes with you. And then I'm gonna make a chicken. See, I'm thinking of these names. Lemon rosemary chicken on the side for some protein. But yeah, all right. We're gonna flip it one more time because I want to get that cheese and all. It's ready. Oh, that's nice. I don't like to add it while I put it on the pan because then I don't want the spring mix to get warm. Alrighty, let me show you. Probably gonna drop some. Hold on. Okay. She's yummy. Turkey pesto sandwich. Yum. All right, now I'm gonna take it to hubby and he's gonna enjoy. And then I'm gonna eat mine and then I'll come back to make the next recipe later.
So as I'm editing this, I'm watching it over and I realize he doesn't follow me. And typically he follows me everywhere. So I realized what he ended up doing. And what he did is he waited for me. Look, you can see that he notices I come back a second time. And then he finally, once I leave, he is going to go eat whatever it is that I dropped. And then it's funny because you hear the door close upstairs and that's when he goes to look for me.
So since I didn't include the other recipe in this video, I decided to include another one. This is a little breakfast meal. Just any veggies you have left over. These are leftover veggies, asparagus and mushrooms. And then I scrambled 2 eggs with crushed red peppers and everything but baby. Record and stir because I don't have it on a stand right now. But it looks so yummy. Let's add what I'm gonna be adding. Yummy. Just watching, of course, per usual. And he has food in his bowl. For some reason, I feel like, so in the past I've gotten tired of eggs fast, but that's because I wasn't changing up my recipes. But here's one of the ones I've experimented with, so give it a try and let me know if you enjoy. So here she is for breakfast. I like to keep a salsa made at home on hand just for any meals that I want to add salsa to. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, put a comment. I will ensure to keep recording and posting. I'm going to try to post at least once a week, so let me know what you would like to see next, and I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you next time.